1. Debris, noun.
Malba.
Scattered pieces of rubbish or remains. Example, workmen were clearing the roads of the debris from shattered buildings. Synonyms, detritus, refuse, rubbish, waste, waste matter, discarded matter, litter, scrap, dross. Antonyms, valuable, purity, neatness, cleanliness, find. 2. Irony, noun.
Tanz. مزهكاخيز.
The expression of one's meaning by using language that normally signifies the opposite, typically for humorous or emphatic effect. Example, don't go overboard with the gratitude, he rejoined with heavy irony. Synonyms, sarcasm, sardonicism, dryness, causticity, sharpness, acerbity, acid. Antonyms, sincerity. 3. Catastrophe, noun.
آفة. المياه. سانحة.
An event causing great and usually sudden damage or suffering, a disaster. Example, an environmental catastrophe. Synonyms, disaster, calamity, cataclysm, crisis, holocaust, ruin, ruination, tragedy, blow. Antonyms, salvation, godsend. 4. Horrific, adjective.
هبتناك. خوفناك.
Causing horror. Example, horrific injuries. Synonyms, dreadful, horrendous, horrifying, horrible, frightful, awful, terrible, fearful, shocking. Antonyms, inoffensive, unalarming. 5. Ostensibly, adverb.
بادي النظر में. بظاهر. ظاهرنا.
As appears or is stated to be true, though not necessarily so, apparently. Example, the party secretary resigned, ostensibly from ill health. Synonyms, apparently, seemingly, on the face of it, to all appearances, on the surface, to all intents and purposes. Antonyms, genuinely, really, truly. 6. Invective, noun.
दुश्मनामेज. गाली गलो.
Insulting, abusive, or highly critical language. Example, he let out a stream of invective. Synonyms, abuse, insults, vituperation, expletives, swear words, swearing, curses, bad language. Antonyms, praise. 7. Entrant, noun.
नया आने वाला. दाखिल होने वाला.
A person or group that enters or takes part in something. Example, the prize will be awarded to the entrant who wins the tiebreak. Synonyms, new member, new arrival, beginner, newcomer, fresher, freshman, recruit, new boy/girl. Antonyms, veteran. 8. Nigh, adverb.
करीब. पास. नजदीकी. तकरीबन.
Almost. Example, a car weighing nigh on 2 tons. Synonyms, well nigh, almost, nearly, just about, more or less, practically, virtually, all but, as good as. Antonyms, away, deep, distant, far. 9. Strife, noun.
झगड़ा. इख्तिलाफ. निज़ा.
Angry or bitter disagreement over fundamental issues, conflict. Example, strife within the community. Synonyms, conflict, friction, discord, disagreement, dissension, variance, dispute, argument. Antonyms, harmony, peace, cooperation. 10. Shudder, verb.
लर्जिश. थरथरी. दहशत.
Of a person, tremble convulsively, typically as a result of fear or revulsion. Example, she still shuddered at the thought of him. Synonyms, shake, shiver, tremble, quiver, quaver, vibrate, palpitate, flutter, quake, heave. Antonyms, hardihood, coolness, braveness, bravery. 11. Attire, noun.
खास लिबास. संवारना.
Clothes, especially fine or formal ones. Example, the usually sober attire of British Security Service personnel. Synonyms, clothing, clothes, garments, dress, wear, outfit, turnout, garb, ensemble, costume. Antonyms, unclothe, dishabille, underdress. 12. Wrath, noun.
शदीद गुस्सा. गैज़.
Extreme anger. Example, he hid his pipe for fear of incurring his father's wrath. Synonyms: anger, rage, fury, annoyance, indignation, outrage, pique, spleen. Antonyms: happiness, good humor. 13. Coterie, noun.
हल्का, गिरोह, जिते, टोली.
A small group of people with shared interests or tastes, especially one that is exclusive of other people. Example: a coterie of friends and advisors. Synonyms: clique, set, circle, inner circle, crowd, in-crowd, gang. Antonyms: loner, individualist. 14. Perks.
مراعاة السهوليات.
An advantage or something extra, such as money or goods, that you are given because of your job. Synonyms: gratuity, bonus, advantage. Antonyms: loss, disadvantage. 15. Flawed, adjective.
غلط, خراب, ناقص.
Having or characterized by a fundamental weakness or imperfection. Example: a fatally flawed strategy. Synonyms: unsound, defective, faulty, distorted, inaccurate, incorrect, erroneous, imprecise. Antonyms: sound. 16. Optimistic, adjective.
उम्मीद परस्ताना, खुश उम्मीदाना.
Hopeful and confident about the future. Example: the optimistic mood of the 60s. Synonyms: cheerful, cheery, positive, confident, hopeful, sanguine, bullish, buoyant, bright. Antonyms: pessimistic, negative, gloomy, ominous. 17. Outrageous, adjective.
خوفناك, غضبناك, غير معمولي.
Shockingly bad or excessive. Example: an outrageous act of bribery. Synonyms: shocking, disgraceful, scandalous, atrocious, appalling, abhorrent, monstrous, heinous. Antonyms: acceptable, mild, moderate. 18. Fringe, noun.
حدود, शहर का किनारा.
The border or outer edges of an area or group. Example: the southern fringes of the city. Synonyms: perimeter, periphery, border, borderline, margin, rim, outer edge, edge. Antonyms: middle. 19. Inalienable, adjective.
ناقابل معافي, ناقابل انتقال.
Not subject to being taken away from or given away by the possessor. Example: the shareholders have the inalienable right to dismiss directors. Synonyms: inviolable, absolute, sacrosanct, unchallengeable, unassailable, untransferable, non-transferable. Antonyms: negotiable, conveyable, assignable, alienable, transferable. 20. Uproar, noun.
दंगेबाजी, हंगामा, शोर.
A loud and impassioned noise or disturbance. Example: the room was in an uproar. Synonyms: turmoil, disorder, confusion, chaos, commotion, disturbance, tumult, turbulence, mayhem. Antonyms: calm, acquiescence. 21. Summarily, adverb.
उजलत से, मुख्तसर.
In a summary manner, without the customary formalities. Example: she was summarily dismissed. Synonyms: immediately, instantly, right away / off, straight away, at once, on the spot, directly. Antonyms. 22. Egregious, adjective.
इंतहाई बुरा, काबिल मजम्मत, फाश.
Outstandingly bad, shocking. Example: egregious abuses of copyright. Synonyms: shocking, appalling, horrific, horrifying, horrible, terrible, awful, dreadful, grievous. Antonyms: marvelous. 23. Deafening, adjective.
गरजदार, कड़कदार, निहायत तेज आवाज.
Of a noise, so loud as to make it impossible to hear anything else. Example: the music reached a deafening crescendo. Synonyms: very loud, extremely noisy, ear-splitting, ear-piercing, ear-shattering, booming, thundering. Antonyms: quiet. 24. Pliant, adjective.
लचकदार, नरम, मोड़ने के काबिल.
Easily influenced or directed, yielding. Example: a more pliant prime minister. Synonyms: compliant, biddable, docile, tractable, yielding, malleable, manageable, governable. Antonyms: inflexible, unyielding. 25 Ominous, adjective.
manhus, badnaam.
Giving the worrying impression that something bad is going to happen, threateningly inauspicious. Example: there were ominous dark clouds gathering overhead. Synonyms: threatening, menacing, baleful, forbidding, sinister, doomy, inauspicious, unpropitious. Antonyms: promising, auspicious, propitious. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. Like, subscribe, share and comments.